I'm Shamla. Welcome to Java tutorial 3. In this tutorial, I'm continuing the last tutorial. I left some of the concepts or few parts unexecuted in the last tutorial. I'm trying to cover that in this tutorial. Here we have created an object for the var class v1.I, the instance var. We got the output as instance var10, and in the similar fashion, static var, it's whatever inside the double quote it is printing in the same fashion. And v1.I, v1 is something belongs to the class. It will go to that class var, and it searches for the s. It is a static int s, so it gets that value from the class and prints 20 to the output screen. In this tutorial, we will learn some of the concepts which we have not covered till now. There are two types of data types. One is primitive data type and another one is non-primitive data type. We know what the data types because I have already used int data type, that is integer. In primitive, there are four data types. One is Boolean, character, and the third one is integer. Final one is float. Boolean is just like true or false. Character, something like A, B, kind of, and one more is like string. It will comes in non-primitive. The combinations of characters leads to string, and array also comes in non-primitive. A float, something which is coming in terms of decimal points, that will come under primitive. I think you guys don't need further explanation because these are the very fundamental concepts of object-oriented languages. And comments in Java. Yeah. What are the comments in Java? In how many ways we can comment a statement? For example, I don't want this part. I don't want this part to be executed in my code. At that time, you can make use of double slash. If you are writing two double slash, so you are excluding this part to be commenting out from the Java code. For example, what if you want to comment the multiple lines? This is about commenting a single line. If there are multiple lines, it's very easy. You can do like this: slash with an asterisk sign. This is the start of the command, and you can end like this: star with a slash. So now you are ending the some part of the code from the Java program, so that you don't want to execute this part. You are commenting out the multiple lines. This is about commenting out. And what about arithmetic operators? What are the different operators we are having in Java or some other languages like C, C++? So there are few operators like arithmetic, relational, bitwise, logical, assignment operators. Arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I'm going too fast because I think everyone knows about these concepts, and some of them may feel boring. You can skip this tutorial, one who knows the basic concepts of C++ very well. And relational is just like less than or greater than, something like that. Bitwise is just like bitwise are, and if you are having an bitwise operations, like if you want to add two binary numbers, subtract, something like that. Logical is like logical and, logical are. Those who are from the electronics backgrounds, you might heard of AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, something like that. Assignment operator, yeah, assigning a plus b equal to, that is an assignment operator. And there are few other assignment operators like plus equal to, minus equal to. These are the few assignment operators. And also in this tutorial we will also see the fundamentals of class, what the class may include, may not include. We will see that also. Let's remove these things. I don't want these things for the time being. Okay. I can take this example. The class consists of local variables, or a method, or an instance variable, and also a function. Here we are having an variable and also an function inside the class. Class consists of data members as well as data function. Here I have already defined a data member, and here, and this in the second part I am defining a data function. This is the data function. Inside the string I have to create an object. In the last tutorial I have already told how to create an object, but still I'm repeating the same thing over and over again here. var is the class name, creating an object you want in that way, and new is the keyword. You're allocating the memory over here for the class var. Ended. This is like creating an object for the class var. If you want to access for example, if you want to access the function, if you want to access this function, you can directly go ahead and make use of the object name o1. O1 is the object name. O1 dot, with the dot operator, you can call the function. If unc, you can call this function. In this fashion you can access the data members which are present in the class in the main function. These are the basics concepts of Java. In the upcoming classes, I will promise you guys it won't be boring. I will be covering the most complicated and some of the toughest concepts of Java. Thanks for watching the tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.